Kwande Mzansi, ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu, Ndebele activist. Namhlanje Mementos lifestyle lapha sigadangisa khona umgadangisi wethu lo i-podcast yethu sigadangisela khona. Ungakhohlwa ke ukuthi i-podcast le isponsora Mementos lifestyle. Namhlanje ngikhamba no Mementos Skhosana.
Sithokoze ngithokoza ukufika kwakho la eMementos Mementos lifestyle thina wamukelekile inakha khethu le igama refere and this is our daily lives wamukelekile. This is home for you.
Yes.
This is home for Amandebele. This is home for everybody.
Ngiyathokoza Nkosi kwethu. Kungitshele ke ngoMemento ngibani uMemento?
uMemento isokana elikhulele igama Rafir. Born and bred igama Rafir. Ngasuka ngayo kwezinye indawo, been everywhere, been to too many schools ngoba abazali bami always wanted me to move around maybe for isikolo lesi bona basifunako. Mara I've always known ukuthi ekhaya kula kuhle kuhle enhleke la kukagogo ngimntwana okhulele ekhaya omkhulu egama Rafiri emzimdala. Got decided ukuthi later on in life ngizobuya khona la because I want to be established la endaweni ekhethu ebantwini engikhule nabo, and it has always been the dream ukwenza njalo. Toti nje ubona sesine Mementos Emporium, sine Mementos Saloon, sine Mementos lounge, sine Mementos ngapha ngedleni, sine Mementos guest house, sine Mementos car wash, ngoba sifuna ukuba i-part of i-hub le ku-heartland yeKwaNdebele. It's always been about that for thina ukuthi sifuna nathi ukuba hlangana nani abantu abakhulisa iKwaNdebele nabakhulisa isikhethu nabajamela i-community ethize, because it gives us meaning yabona.
So now iMementos lifestyle establish njengendawo ekhuthaza abalingisi, ekhuthaza ikhono nje lamaNdebele, ukama artist akwaNdebele, ukama Ndebele, wenza entertainment for abantu bethu.
Okumnandi ngala Mementos ukuthi sizama ukuthola siba for example ama live bands. Siyawathanda ama concept kanjalo because anikela artists opportunity to express themselves, to showcase bajwayele stage, bajwayele crowd njalo. So uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi into ezinjengalezo azisibenefit khulu but zibenefita i-community. We like it, we like that because now we feel we're playing part in the community. Not only live band, but uthola ukuthi kuna abantwana abafuna ukugida sibanikele chance. Uyazi mina nawe we were in full support of our poetry sessions.
Yes.
Where young poets will come and express themselves, and njalo nokhunye okuningi nje ubona upcoming artist ingoma siyayizwa ukuthi ingoma le ine potential, siyamiza ufika stage seMementos we are participate. Not only that ukhumbule ukuthi at the same time Mementos employs abantu be-community kuwo aba-entities la ngitsho khona. What is nice ukuthi 95% of our staff umakhelwane, so isitolo semphakathi. So we pride ourselves in that, and there's still a lot more to come here yabona.
Nkosi kwethu nokhuluma nge-development, so uyangikhuthaza because now ngivulele indlela yokuthi sikwazi ukukhuluma nge-interest eselunayo ekuthuthukiseni kwelimo lesiNdebele, ukuthuthukisa ubukhwari bamaNdebele, ukuthuthukisa indawo kwaNdebele. Ke sikhulume ngomnotho omumethwe ilimo lesiNdebele.
I-culture ne-culture, when it's well preserved, gcina iba beneficial to abantu bayo. La kwaNdebele la into esiqaleni nayo khulu ukuthi kosa sibuthelele lokho esinako, sikupackage sikwazi ukupresent, then it will enhance development yethu. And more than anything umnotho mningi esikhethwini. It has been proven by abanye bethu in the industry, through art, through music, njalo. IsiNdebele sithandwa umhlaba wonke. So ngalokho ke uma crafts bangathi uyaqala ezinye indawo zinama different tourist attractions, abanye banendaba, abanye banama ocean, abanye banani, thina sine art, thina sinemigwaqo. So lokho kukodwa ku-leader to tourism. And once we get tourists to come here, they come, they spend their money. Not only do they spend their money on art, they spend their money on food, they spend their money on accommodation, and then some want to interact with the language. Omunye umuntu can be interested and say, hey, man, ngibonga ukufundisa isiNdebele. Already lapho so private tutor.
Exactly.
You teaching the person the language. Kunabantu abatlola incwadi, kunabantu benza umvumo, njalo njalo njalo. So it's a whole spectrum of izinto zesikhethu ezinomvuzo uma uzimisela kizo.
So now mphathi ngendlela hayi ngikubize ngayo ubudlelano bakho ne Dr. Esther Mahlangu Foundation no Dr. Esther Mahlangu nokuthi kuze njani wena ube ne-interest ekutheni njenganje ngifuna ukuthuthukisa ubukhwala bamaNdebele, ngifuna ukuthuthukisa ilimi lesiNdebele, yini into ekwenza ukuthi ube nekareko efana nayo?
Ngibonakala kaningi ngino Dr. Esther Mahlangu. You'll be surprised to know ukuthi I equally see uDr. uNothembi Mkhwebane. And I equally visit uMam Nosiki. I equally visit, I serve with uMagreth ku-LTO. I equally visit uMam Skhosana la e-4-way stop where they are busy ngama-crafts and bayathunga nethu. So into yesikhethu ikimi ekutheni kosa sibe ne-commercial element. Inkosi uSipho Mahlangu at some point besibhizi nge-campaign yokuthi kwamele kube nama-regulation nama-standards the way bengimbawa ngakhona ukuthi angihelebhe ngoba into le requires some resources and time. Okubalulekileko kimi ukuthi isikhethu must have ama-standards. Through Gogo as our leader, sikhona ukufunda the commercial side of it. Nanoma into yakhona nayo ingakahlali kuhle mara ingaphambili kunalaba abancane enesalungisa yona nasifika kulabo benza ngemva kwakhe bayithola seyilungile. So kungalokho ke ngibonakala kaningi liseduze no Dr. Esther Mahlangu. However, my interest wami akhamba tot emntwaneni osafunda ukugwala. So isikhethu kwamanye ama-cultures uthola njengama everyone is working towards to protect into zabo. I know ama-Indians, ama-South American Indians, ama-North American Indians are doing the same e-US. I know ukuthi ama-Aborigines are doing the same in Australia. The Maasai tribe is doing the same in Kenya. So kukho konke lokho you can see ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuvikela okwekwabo and still maximize and make sure it benefits their own community. So khulu mina more than anything ngilokho ngesikhethu ukuthi by the time our time is done into le must be protected, into yethu le.
Yes,
I-culture yethu le and sele ivikelekile sazi ukuthi i-next generation continues on the legacy built by uGogo uNoSkhosana, uGogo uNosindi, uDr. Nothembi, njalo 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 njalo. So kuphezu kwethu thina abantu abatsha ngolwazi lelo oluncane oludlula laba abadala nakithi ukuthi la sibaberege bafinyelela khona dani singeze ngolwazi lethu ukuthi sikwazi ukuhlalisa lelo kuhle. So ngikho konke engikwenzako nala ngihamba khona nala ngivakashela khona inhloso ngileyo.
ngiyavuma. So now talking about indawo zangaphandle zangaphesheya kwamalwandle, ngibone mhlapha nje bose-Australia uyokwenza
e-Australia kunabantu abanekareko ngesikhethu nginando communicator nabo engibathatha njengabangani bami engababiza nakune into enjengengoma sigidinga ingoma njalo njalo yabasondeza eduze ukuthi i-culture yethu ngile. This is what's undiscovered by us, about us. And kuningi abantu bangaphandle bangakwaziyo ngathi okungabakara and nathi esifuna sizikhakhazisa ngakho simaNdebele. Ngalokho-ke nabanandebeza sinalesikhawu esikhuluma kwathothi omunye unetshisakalo ngoba wakhuliswa ngumma weNdebele.
Yes.
Wathi yafuna umhlaba uyibona. As part of her thesis wathi senze i-exhibition e-Australia.
Yes.
For a university ye-Sunshine Coast. Sakwenza-ke lokho ngakhuphuka nomlingani nami ukuthi khe siyobabonisa isikhethu. Bengiba nama-visitors from all over the cities beza ngalamamba sizobacoca share ama-ideas on how i-culture evolves, how ama-different elements of cultures can compare. And nasiloko sibuyele emuva sikhona nokubona ukuthi siyafana sibabantu bese sikhamba sihluka lapha nalapha mara singakhona ukuthi siphilisane sonke in harmony.
Ngiyathokoza. So now uveza njalo ukuthi bokuhamba uhatsha ilimi lesiNdebele, ukhamba uhatsha ubuhwari wamaNdebele ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle. Nginekareko lapha ukuthi ube nala ubereka khona kune-project obe involved kiyo yikomkhulu. Indima oyidlale lapha ngiyiphi begodu iqakatheke kangangani indima le kade uyidlala ekwenzeni ukuthi i-project yakomkhulu iba successful, iba success?
Phambilini ngiyakhumbula ngikhe ngathi Mahlangu sondelana kunento kaBeyonce.
Yes.
Sabereka ehlelweni lelo bekenza i-movie Black is King. Yes, profile.
Yes.
Kwathothi ngaphambi kwalokho ngenze ama-video nabo TEDx la be-involve khona ugogo yasayinwa nangugogo. Ngenze ama-videos nabo Dr. Malinga. So it has always been little elements that I compiled in my profile leading to ikomkhulu.
Yes.
So ikomkhulu azange bavele bastop endleleni bathi yasikhambeni manje sokuba la.
Now to Beyonce. uBeyonce angaphetsheya odume khulu.
Besibeleke noBeyonce. Samthatha ifilimu lakhe uBliss of the Ambassador, a very prominent director in the US, weza la Mementos. Ngamthatha sachinga ngenza sapha bo Brown Dash nani sadimirata. Nasuka lapho amanye abodade baguda khona la eMementos salon. Njalo mara ke ekugcineni saphelela sisesondweni namanye nje ama significant establishments wala kwaNdebele ebengwa introduce kibo ukuthi sondelani kwaNdebele nizokuthuka kwaNdebele sinento eso nangibathumela kubakareka
konje iBlack is King yawina yipi award
i-award ye-wardrobe la ebesingenelele khona thina njengamaNdebele bebadobhadobha ingolwane bambatha kwagcine winwe i-Oscar yayo iBlack is King. So that makes us very proud. There were many elements because different characters were being dressed in different ways, and obviously there were people in charge nathi sayedanya nama elements lawo based on their guidance. Khulu ikomkhulu i-subject ethu la njengoba kuyi-development of i-culture commercially and otherwise ukuthi ikomkhulu K.
Yes.
When ikomkhulu K, I can speak of over 600 extras that participated in ikomkhulu. As a member of ELTO, I can assure you that every guest house was booked, fully booked, within a radius of 30 kilometers.
Yes.
And angikhulumi ngeMementos guest house in just 10 rooms. No. Ngikhuluma ngama accommodation places akhona ukuthi accommodate abantu aba over 50 at a time. Nabanye ebebangazi ukuthi bangaba khonayo i-capacity of hosting people for over a month straight consecutively. They gave us an opportunity to test ourselves and to prove to ourselves that we can. So I really appreciate the project. It made me wonder with kube njengalezi ekhaya bezenzeka kaningi ngabe amandebele akuphi ngempilo.
Exactly.
So isiphe enye elinye ilight ebesingazi ukuthi sinalo and ngalokho esinako ekubakarileko njenge-channel ukuthi basondele ngiba thokoza kaningi ukuthi noma ngabe i-second season yekomkhulu iyabuya or ayibuya. I hope it does come back. Mara siyazi ukuthi sinekhono. Sinekhono, we've seen it ngama extras, sinekhono, we've seen it ngezinto eziningi ezenzekileko ngekomkhulu. More than anything in terms of the financial impact.
Yes.
People ate, people slept, people explored. Indawo eziningi, indawo zokuditsha besazi nasidlala umculo Mementos asidlalela abantu bakwaNdebele kuphela. Sidlalela nabantu abasuka kude esifaya i-Eastern Cape who are part of the komkhulu project. So into eyenzeke lapha angikhoni ukuthi ngingayihlathulula lula ngoba the 2 months was different. You could feel it in the air ukuthi something big is happening in the community. We moved to Mahlangu and the Tembisile area. Nalapho you could still see the impact that was done. The police get involved, ambulances get involved. The stage, the artists, the music, the acting, the catering. So we are talking, our budgets were over. If somebody comes from the art aspect of things,
yes,
but I've got 10 million to spend. For example, animal leo then that's making a significant impact to the community, and that's what the Komkhulu has done.
Correct. Nomphathi ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala manje sengifuna ukwazi ukuthi indima engadlala uhulumende provincially, locally and nationally in terms of developing ama languages eSouth Africa khulukhulu ilimi lesiNdebele because ngithi sikandelele ukukhulu ukudlula wonke amalimi eSouth Africa ngithi sichaphuluka muva nje. So now i-role ekufanele idlale i-provincial government ngiyiphi?
Engathanda ukuthi isikhethu siyadinga from wabomuso more like any other language. Nawubukela amanye ama-programs wakumzansi uyakhona ukubona ukuthi nakukhuphuka amagama ama-credits bazokutsho ukuthi KwaZulu-Natal government bayithokoza for i-support, Durban municipality bayithokoza for i-support. So lokho kukodwa kuyakutshela ukuthi abantu abasekelekile laba berekela ene uma uqala into njengokuthi komkhulu beyifuna ukuthi kube nama-intern, yes, abawathathi ngobuningi bakhona bakhalejwe i-government. Lokho ku-create employment. Those interns will then have the necessary skill to then forge ahead ngamanye ama-programs ngoba phezu kwe-skill lesi abasifundileyo. That then means nanoma ngabe umdlalo sowukhambile i-skill sisele umuntu lo angakhona ukuyokubereka lapho khunye ngoba i-skill sibamshiye naso. So ngalokho-ke bengithanda ukutsho ukuthi isekelo lombuso libaluleke khulu. Sinama-poets, sinama-writers, sinama-actors, sinama-musicians, nabatloli, nabo bonke abanye abantu abama-crafts be-artwork abagwalako njalo. Cala musi into mina engiyibawako and one of the intentions ukuthi ngikhulume nabantu engakhelene nabo abosombesi ahedi abaseduze nabo ukuthi asihelebhaneni sakhe i-legacy kagogo ugogo unabantu abafundiswe ukugwala abantu abafundiswe ukugwala they want to express themselves on a platform siyokwakha imithangala emide la in a form of a mural la abantu ama-students kagogo current and former students kagogo bazokuza bawugwale umthangalo lo. The target is to have the longest mural in Africa by Dr. Esther Mahlangu. Ngihuwelela ngephimbo lami eliphezulu ukuthi abantu bombuso ngathi bangangizwa basihelele nabangakakhoni sizoqhubeka sirage ngalokho kanabo singathaba kakhulu nabangakhona basihelele.
Bakwethu ningakhohlwa ukuthi i-episode le isponsora iSkhosana neMementos lifestyle. Mphathi ukhuluma ngendaba ye-mural, the longest and the biggest in Africa or in the world ezabe igwale ngelimi lesiNdebele. Umkhumbulo so ikufikela nje?
Uyazi angazi nami Mahlangu ezinye izinto zilethwa bezimo.
Yeah.
Ngoba mangathi uyaqala singa benchmark ngestrategy esinjengevillakazi street.
Correct.
La kwaziwa khona ukuthi kunomuzi ka Archbishop Tutu no Dr. Nelson Mandela bobabili bawina ama-Nobel Peace Prize. That on its own brings people from all over the world to come and see the street. Ukuthi ke baphefumula umoya westrati neso ngoba mhlambe nabo they can catch that iconic spirit. We have an icon of our own. She is our tourist attraction. People come from all over the world to see Dr. Esther Mahlangu. Leading to her house, udlula la. Na udlula la. Hlangabezwa mithangala emihle ekulotshisako. Ethi sewufikile kwaNdebele, sewuseduze naka Dr. Esther Mahlangu. Na ufikile kweMementos nofana kuphi? Asithathele insikiri msi. Singasakhambi ngekoloyi ka Dr. Esther Mahlangu. Asireyeni insikiri ngikhambe ngikukhombisa ngithi la kuthengiswa inkukhu ubaba lo yomunye unyaka wenza so ubaba lo nguyokwazi ukucula lo ugida kamnandi. So that you become part of the community. You feel the pulse of the community. Nangidlula nawe ngithi mawehla ngenza sapha kunesigodo la. Mawuyako kuwagogo la. Leli lisondo elinoJesu womndonzima. I-Roman Catholic Church, the only one egwaliweko emhlabeni. Ke ngikubonise ube uthi na ufike la ukhambe une holistical experience yakwaNdebele.
Yes.
Ungakhambi uchoda abacho ngifikele kuphi mara ina ngayiboni. Kuphezulu kwethu ukuthi abantu abavakashile sibaphathe kuhle.
Yes, true. Ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala Mementos Skhosana ukusitikela ithuba elifana naleli ngecabanga ukuthi safanele ukuthi sihlale phasi silulalula indaba le ngoba umlando wakho unothile begodu nento oyenzako for isitshaba samaNdebele kwamambala. Ngiyafisa nje ukuthi ama-national broadcasters they can have you on their shows bakwazi ukudiscussa indaba ezifana nalezi, especially current affairs yakazolothi Masango isibuya nabazulu. Kube lapho ukuthi isitshaba sikwazi ukuzwa ukuthi uMementos Skhosana lo zizini izinto azenzela isitshaba samaNdebele, ngiziphi izinto azenzela ilimi lesiNdebele, ngiyiphi into uMementos Skhosana ayenzela ubukhwari bamaNdebele ngendawo akiyo nangokuthuthukisa ilimi lesiNdebele nobukhwari ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle. Manje abantu abafuna ukuza eMementos lifestyle bafika njani?
I-Mementos ikhona ku-Instagram Mementos_lifestyle. Iminyanya yethu siyayiphosa ku-Facebook nakwamanye ama-media. Mara khulukhulu ufika eMementos sinendawo zokulala. Uma ufikile eMementos uyaguda uvasisa ikoloyi uthenga ukudla. Ngithanda ukuthi nje ebantwini ukuthi siyi-business ezimiseleko ukukhula, singathabela ukukhula nabo abantu. Ne-emporium la uthola khona ama-brands anyako Skhosana namanye ama-brands, ama-local brands ngoba they are denied an opportunity yokuthi bangaya showcase izambatho zabo kuma-big franchises ama-chain stores. Thina siyi-Mementos City ibani lakithi until babona ukuthi senikhulile bese bayandibiza ngoba siyazi ukuthi manikhulile bazonithatha nathi siyafuna ukuthi nikhule nifike ebangeni lelo. So ngalokho-ke siyi-Mementos, we are deep into development arts, music and any cultural form ephathelene nesikhethu. Siyakareka na unande uthi uyi-activist uchocholoze la kujameke khona ngoba we must move frontiers, angeke kwaba lula and akutsho ukuthi kumele uhlale ukwazi into engayitshela abantu be-production ngokuthi uMahatma Gandhi wabulawa amandiya. Abantu bekhethu ngenzeka akhona abanye abayiboni into esizama ukuyenza mina nabantu abanjengani eku-same space. Igama lakhe siku-community kwesakubonakala ukuthi siku-community nomntwana enkosi udlulile siyabhalela kumlotshisa ngoba besiphakathi kwenkulumo. So okubalulekile kokuthi akusinguwo wonke umuntu ozoku-understanda ukuthi uthando Mahlangu uzama ukwenzani. Akusinguwo wonke umuntu ozokuzwisisa ukuthi uMementos Skhosana uzama ukwenzani, uZotomapeni uzama ukwenzani. Mara-ke ngicabanga ukuthi nabogogo nabathumama ama-hiccups anjalo bewaba khona. Kuphezu kwethu to look beyond our differences and try and get into yesikhethu correct. Na kungafika umuntu athi angibuze anything related to isikhethu like amalafeni. Into sithembiseni ukuthi ke ngibuze uthando Mahlangu msini.
Correct, yes.
Into engangiyitshela abantu bebasivakatshele komkhulu siyazana
njalo.
Siyazi ukuthi inhloso yethu yini, asibuthelaneni, asihlanganeni nabanye khona abanye abanolwazi oludlula lethu ebangasihelebha ekutheni sithuthukise isikhethu. Nabo basondele ungamuva noma ngabe usesoshanguve, ungamuva noma ngabe usesekhunda, nathi sizozama ukuphutsha sila nasihlanganako sithokozisane ukuthi siyaphutsha singenzani, ungangihelebha ngani, ngingakuhelebha ngani ukuze sikwazi ukuchubeka.
Ngiyavuma. Mphathi ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala. Ibizo lami ngikuthando Mahlangu, ngangithola ku-Facebook Thando Mahlangu, Instagram @Thando Mahlangu _ ku-TikTok @Thando Mahlangu _ ku-Twitter @Thando Mahlangu _ ungazitholela lakho-ke isichomani siyatholakala ngoba checka ku-website www.schomaniauthenticwear.com uzobafunyana lapho namkhana usuthi isichomani uzolifunyana ku-Twitter bakhona nakhona Mementos lifestyle tholakala ngegama Rafir. Yes, iMementos yethu baqinisile bakwethu. Ibizo lami ngikuthando Mahlangu, osigadangisako ke ngemva owenza ama behind the scenes uGhotso Mahlangu, nangiyalapha naye ngamsesha ku-Twitter @Gotso Mahlangu _ na ku-Instagram @Gotso Mahlangu _ njalo bakwethu asithuthukiseni ilimi lesiNdebele.